Racing just started. We have his rumble in front position. We have Silver Glades. Break quickly at the start, running by the rail. Chonang, and on the outside comes Jonas Recipe, cold-hearted, and on the outside now is Dakara, running for deep is Skyline Pigeon. Marcus Wolf comes next. Alice Wonderland. And going along for the first turn, we have Silver Glades by about 2 lengths. And in second now is Jonas Recipe. Chonang comes next. Cold-hearted, then followed over by Marcus Wolf. Skyline Pigeon, Dakara comes next. Alice Wonderland, while Gracious Host now racing unless back to the leader. We have Jonas Recipe now takes command by our nose. Silver Glades once again takes command down on the inside. Chonang is racing in third, moving up now on the outside is Skyline Pigeon. So with Dakara down on the inside, Alice Wonderland. Cold-hearted comes next, Marcus Wolf, while Gracious Host is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Skyline Pigeon by about 3 lengths. Chonang now in second as they swing for home. Skyline Pigeon maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Chonang in second. Cold-hearted Alice Wonderland. Last 75 meters we have Skyline Pigeon, followed by Chonang, and finally Skyline Pigeon. Chonang, Cold-hearted, Marcus Wolf, Dakara, then comes Alice Wonderland.
431-297.
Right.